As New Zealand farmers shift from a all-grass system to more important feeds, it's a privilege to bring this one to the market that is a true System 1. It's consistently doing 1,200 kilos per hectare with all cows wintered on. And it's a marvellous farm. It's got all these peat flats and a bit of hill. If you want to see more about it, give me a call.